Get ready to snort out the best projects. Watch out, Peppy, Sheba, Andy, all of you guys. We got the aardvark right here and the magic box, plus some awesome things. This is Snorter. We're going to find the best things on Solana, but before we do that, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research, due diligence, and don't invest in anything you're not willing to lose. All right, you can grab this with card, crypto, even get ETH, so top that Web3 wallet off. And we have inside Bitcoin's Coin Speaker, Crypto Daily. It's on all the big ones, and this is the best crypto pre-sale. How do I know that? The aardvark blends meme with fun, real trading, and Snorter's the best crypto guy around. So get off Dex tools, stop it with Radium, stop all that. We need to get the snot out and find the best projects. So we have the lowest fees on Solana, it's the fastest execution, and the best MEVs. Now, you might say, why would I use this project? You got fast and secure swaps, automated sniping, limited orders, copy trading, rug pull, and even you can find the honey detection with snortability, low fees, fast sniper, limit orders, copy trading. Let's go. We got the first development with the market research, development, website automation, marketing, influencer engagement, and even the bot launch. Let's go. Trading the algorithms. This is the best crypto trading bot, and you can bridge it. It's available on both ETH and Sol. We have the Snortonomics with the total supply. Plus, you can grab this, put it in your Web3 wallet. We have product and development, marketing, exchange liquidity, community, airdrop, staking, and even how to buy it. It's available on Solana and ETH, and all the FAQs. What is a crypto trading bot? How to use it? This is a bot that automates buying. So yes, it's not a sniper. It's a snorter. And when does it go live? It is going to rock in Q3 2025. So let's go. Now, how secure is it? Well, as secure as your Telegram is. So you can check that out. Get the Snortonomics and let's go. And the man, the myth, the Snorter, a Telegram traded assisting bot with our favorite aardvark. So guys, step aside. Now, why wouldn't you just trade normally? Well, manual meme coin hunting's slow. You got to go on Jupiter, Radium, listen to your friends. This is going to pump. It's actually not. Then you got honeypots, BS, rug pulls, Hawktua, all those things. And fragmented tooling and none of that fun stuff. So you pop on the Telegram. What do you get? Fast swaps, automated sniping, and even honeypot and scam protection. And copy trading if you so choose. And here we get dual chain. You get the fixed supply plus the awesome audits. Everything is here. You can see all the information for the public pre-sale, but you get 60% of the total supply is hard capped. And not only is it an awesome bot, but you have the lowest trading fees. You get staking, passive income, governance, and community. And there's even issuance information and risk disclaimers. Let's go. And we can see the Snorter token. Give them a big follow right here. The new timers live on the site. Guys, we are getting ready to rock. So stop doing manual crypto trading. Stop looking at Radium. Stop listening to your friend that say French fry sandwich watermelon inu is going to go to this or that. Stop. This is almost 80 or 8,000 followers going here. Always sniff to dip. Never trust an ant. And YOLO. You only live once. So let's avoid those bad projects. And you can do that with not a sniper, but a snorter. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. Questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.